Let's start with Interactive Brokers, often called IBKR. This platform has long been a favorite among professional and high-volume traders. It is built for speed, precision, and global access. Through Interactive Brokers, you can trade stocks, options, futures, currencies, and bonds on over 150 markets around the world, all from one account. That kind of reach is hard to beat if you trade both Canadian and US securities or if you are branching into international markets. Where Interactive Brokers really shines is in its pricing and execution quality. The platform offers some of the lowest commissions in the industry, and its margin rates are among the best you will find. Order execution is lightning fast, with algorithms designed to find the best price possible on every trade. That combination makes it a top choice for active and professional traders who want efficiency and cost control. The Trader Workstation, or TWS, is Interactive Brokers' main desktop platform. It is feature-heavy and designed for serious users. You get real-time charting, advanced order types, customizable layouts, and deep analytics for technical trading. For newer users, it can feel intimidating at first, but once you learn it, it becomes an incredibly powerful tool. IBKR also offers a simplified web and mobile app called IBKR Global Trader, which gives you a more modern interface without losing access to the core features. Now let's talk about TD Direct Investing. As part of TD Bank, this platform brings the backing of one of Canada's largest financial institutions. It caters to both active traders and long-term investors, offering a more traditional experience with a strong local presence. TD Direct gives you access to Canadian and US markets, along with options, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. TD's flagship platform for active traders is called Advanced Dashboard. It offers real-time streaming quotes, customizable charts, and direct market access for fast execution. However, TD Direct does have its strengths. The platform integrates smoothly with other TD Bank accounts, making it easy to move funds instantly between your banking and trading accounts. It also offers excellent customer support, in-person branch access, and educational resources for Canadian investors who want guidance while trading. Those features make it a great fit if you prefer a more supported experience. Both platforms are secure, regulated, and respected. Interactive Brokers gives you global control and precision. TD Direct Investing gives you convenience and Canadian familiarity. For most active Canadian traders focused on speed and cost efficiency, Interactive Brokers takes the lead, but either choice can help you trade smarter, faster, and more confidently in today's markets.